Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to uncut something on Gling.ai. So this is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're starting to use Gling AI and it's your first time. How do you actually go ahead and uncut something? So this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. Make sure to stick around until the end. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but let's go ahead and actually go onto one of our projects here on Gling.ai. And here you can see that I've already imported one of my raw video clips. So here is a clip that's been cut out that says, I've been watching Star Trek myself ever since I was a kid or so. If I want to go ahead and uncut this, you just have to click on this scissor icon on the left hand side, and now this portion will reappear. But let's say that you want to go ahead and uncut a certain word. Maybe for some reason you want to make sure that this word is within your raw clip. So in order to uncut it, you would just click on it and then right click. You would just click on it and then double click and then click on uncut. So now this portion here is going to appear. So if I take this entire section here and then cut it out, if I want to uncut that entire section, all you've got to do is click on it. All you've got to do is just highlight it and then click on uncut. So that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and uncut something on Gling.ai. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.